Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are continuing our SQL top 50 questions. So, first we need to find out where we reach. So, the basic aggregate functions. So, we complete everything on this category. So, we are going to the sorting and grouping. So, basically, this one is a very easy one, I guess. So here, number of unique subjects taught by each teacher. So you have a teacher table, teacher ID, subject ID, department ID. Write a solution to calculate the number of unique subjects each teacher teaches in the university. So you should have a teacher ID. So teacher ID, subject ID, department ID. So is the primary key of this table. Each row in this table indicates that the teacher with the teacher ID teaches the subject ID in the department ID. So basically, it's like a teacher, like physics teacher teaches physics, or I mean, any teacher, I mean, not a physics teacher, any teacher, maybe he teaches two subjects. One is in one department, another is another department. Maybe it's in the same department also. So how we can? So write a solution to calculate the number of unit subjects each teacher teaches in the university. So this is basically very easy, I guess. So if you are just we are just grouped by teacher ID and subject ID. Uh, Teacher ID, subject ID, count. That's it. So this will give you all the result. We can try to solve ourselves. So let me start our MySQL server. Then in the meantime, yeah, I will keep this here itself. So we can go to the okay. Then what we will do next, we will take take the schema. So schema is very simple. So we will try to solve some more problems on this video, because if we are going like this, it will take a lot of time to complete everything. So probably I assume there is no teacher table in my local MySQL, so it's run successfully. And so if I put Dubai, okay, yeah, just Dubai also work. So each teacher ID, okay. So if you're name like this, select all from what was the table name, teacher. Run this one, make sure everything as we expected. Then we will modify one by one. Okay, so I got teacher ID, subject ID, department ID. But what exactly I need? One. If your unique subject is two, three, or something like that. So here, group by is necessary. So group by, what I'm going to group by? Group by teacher ID. Okay, if I put group by teacher ID, nothing will return because the group by make us compel us to use the aggregate function. So if I put like this, what exactly I will get? I will get all the rows for a particular teacher. So that's not the result I need. I need the unique subject. So with with the group by teacher ID, subject ID, let's see whether it's gonna work. Okay. So group by teacher ID, subject ID. So right now count star. Select count star group by. So what exactly happening here? So I have a teacher ID 1 and you are subject ID. So it will separate with the different subjects. So that's not exactly I need. I need in the result, I need only the teacher ID. So the group by will not work on this scenario with the separate with the subject ID. So if I put like this, what's gonna happen? Subject ID. Okay. Distinct subject ID. So I'm getting some error here. So count distinct subject ID. Count distinct. So right now it's fine. So here I got 2 and 4. Let me verify that's the result they are expecting 2 and 4. So that's fine. So basically if you need all the subjects, you can use this one subject ID. And if you only need distinct, that's also possible with this one. So this category is for sorting and grouping SQL queries. That's so one. These things are grouped into. Okay. So one and two. So what is the name actually? We need to get that also we need to check, and then we will run that solution in this environment itself. Just add this one after this, then run again so we can see the result. Copy that, go to the code, run it, and if it is successful, 232 milliseconds, so everything is fine. It's working as expected. So we completed that one. Problem. Okay, so we are going to the next one only if it is very small one, otherwise we will go to some other one on this video. The two keys for solving these questions are select a specific date range, count only distinct users. So I am not going to solve this one right now. I will go for an easy one. So this looks like easy because we have only one table and only small description or requirements. So write solution to find all the classes that have at least 5 students. So student class. So student A class maths, student B class English, Maybe it's repeating also A B C D E F. These are all students, so they may be in different classes. So you need to write a solution to find out the classes that have at least five students. So here is the question. So the classes have at least five students. So if I am saying like math, English, math, biology, so you need to do by this one, and having count is greater than at least five students. So having count greater than four, greater than four or equal to, and greater than or equal to 5 is also works. So this is also very easy. So let me take the schema. So we are solving two easy questions on this video. So having is the new one that we are going to use. I don't know, is any other ways we can solve this? So probably we will check that things also. So these things working fine. So right now select all from courses, group by group by group by class, having count greater than 4. Okay, so okay, class mathematics. So that's the result we need. Is there any other ways we can solve? So that's also a question. So let me add this here. Having count distinct student greater than 4. Okay, so there is some changes we need. So you need to put distinct also here. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay, distinct students, distinct student. So here also it will return. So this is the correct way. If duplicate students are there, so probably it's not gonna work. So that's why, yeah, we should use distinct here. Okay, so copy this one, copy here, and running that. That's it. So everything works fine. So if I am removing this distinct, probably some test case will fail, but that's fine. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.